Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome. My name is Jillian. I am a stay-at-home mom to 2 little ones, and today I'm going to be decluttering my closet when it comes to my clothing. Now let's just jump right into my closet declutter. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you my closet and all of the clothes I have. Now, no, I do not have a ton of clothes. I know people have much more clothes than I do, but honestly half of this clothes I don't wear anymore, so I just want to go through it and clean it out and get it nice and organized. So these are all of like my shirts, sweaters, and like tank tops, stuff like that. And then up here I have some jeans, some like work pants from when I used to work, leggings, and just my bottoms. So that is everything, and I will go through everything and try to get rid of most of it. Alright guys, so it looks really messy, but this is all the clothes that I am going to keep. That's all on the bed, and then that pile right there is for donation, and then that's just trash. I only have one thing for the trash, but this pile is for donation. It's not a huge pile, but it's something. I have, I think, 2 or 3 pair of jeans in there, and then I have a few long sleeve shirts and like other tank tops. So I kind of have sections everything. So over here is like more short sleeve shirts. Over here is like flannels and throwovers, and then underneath is sweaters. Over here is tank tops. Then I have some long sleeves here. And then in the middle over there, you can't really see, but more of my dress up shirts. Then I have some dresses, and then some pants and jeans that are hidden underneath all of that. And then these are just old work pants from when I used to work. I don't want to get rid of them just in case, I don't know, I ever go back to work or I need it for something. So now I'm going to place everything back into my closet. Alright guys, so this is the after of how it is looking. It definitely looks better. I still need to go through things and just hang it up a little better and get it a little more organized, but this will just have to do for now. I did get rid of 3 pair of shoes as well. So yeah, that's how it's looking. In the front I have a bunch of like tank tops, and then it goes into like dressier shirts, and then short sleeve shirts, long sleeve shirts, sweater shirts. I have some cardigans in there, and then I have some dresses, and I also have, I think, like 2 rompers in there, and then I have my jeans up here. And then after the jeans I have some chino pants and leggings, and then the work pants are all the way in the back. So that is the way it is going to stay for a while until I want to go through everything all over again. Alright guys, so that is going to end my closet declutter. I got rid of quite a few things. I have a ton of empty hangers right now, and everything just looks a little bit more organized. I do need to go back in and probably organize and rehang a lot of things a little more neater, but I do not have any time to do that right now. It's a little bit after 5 p.m. and I have to get my kids some dinner. They are hungry, and I have been doing my closet for a while. I didn't think it was going to take me this long. If not, I would have done it on a different day where I had more time. But either way, I do like the way it turned out. It looks much more organized. I do have a good pile of clothes. I have a bunch of long sleeve shirts, a few short sleeve shirts. I have a total, I think, of 3 jeans, 1 skirt, and then I'm getting rid of 3 pair of shoes. So that is what I will be donating for this year. Probably next year I will clean up my closet once again after the holidays. Not sure when, but I'll probably be doing that again because I still have some things in there that I told myself I should probably let go, but I decided just to keep in the closet just in case. So yeah, that is going to end my closet declutter. I am so sorry about the lighting too. It is after 5 o'clock, like I said, it's already late. And since the time change, it does get darker earlier. And then also it's extremely gloomy and rainy outside. So it's cloudy. There's no sight of sun anywhere. So can't use natural lighting. So do apologize about the lighting. If you're wondering why these past few videos I have looked exactly the same, it is because I've recorded 3 different videos today. I recorded my everyday morning kitchen cleaning routine. I recorded my Rice Krispie treat recipe, and also now this closet one. Probably should have changed clothes, but I didn't. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop rambling on because I know I can talk a lot and it's probably annoying. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you have not already. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.